Okay guys, so yeah, this is pretty much in real time, and I just left out of Walgreens and so happy with what I purchased. So as you saw, I was in the cosmetics aisle. I dropped somebody off for an appointment and I'm waiting for them to get done, and there's a Walgreens nearby, and I just decided to kind of walk into Walgreens. And so as I went up the cosmetic aisle, look at what is on sale. Y'all know how I feel about matte finish, so you know I had to get these. Currently, those were the only two colors. They still had a good selection. Some of the racks were empty, but these two colors are perfectly fine for me. So, Kiss Gel Fantasy Collection. Buy one, get one free, guys. So here's the receipt. Hopefully you can see that. They're $8.99. And it's buy one, get one free. So you see under the $8.99 where they took off for the second one. So basically, return value, that means these costed $4.50 a piece. You can't beat that, guys. Like, I would take something like this home, and you know I would bling these out. I would either wear them as is, because they look nice as they are. But I would probably add some bling, or maybe if I felt like it. So that's a good deal, $4.50 for some Kiss Gel Fantasy press-ons. I know I got my own press-ons at home that I make myself, of course, but you know, these are nice too. So let me show you the other ones. The Voguish, now they got a new line. They got a couple of other new lines. I kind of keep up with Kiss a little bit. Aren't those cute? Though we know we can do this stuff ourselves, but they're still cute. And then these, the Jelly Fantasies, there's solid white ones, then there's the gold glitter ombre, and then there's the clear ones with the rhinestones on it. So actually these Voguish ones were the ones that costed a little more. And you can see right there, they were $9.79. So from there, the Jelly Fantasies costed less, so it took off for those. So you can't beat it, guys. About less than $5 for a box of decent looking press-ons. So yeah, this is in real time today. So if you're near any I was getting ready to say Walmart. If you're near any Walgreens, scoop you up a couple of boxes. They're nice and quick and handy to have. Like if you're going somewhere, throw them in your bag, your travel bag or something like that. That's why I get them. Or even sometimes, have I worn any for a video yet? I don't believe I've worn any for a video. I've worn my own for a couple of videos where I've worn some that I created like back when before I started my channel. So yeah, they're convenient to have and they're not bad looking. So I'm trying to get this posted up so you guys can see.